Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking the Firestick so it can accept apps that aren't in the store. Go to My Fire TV, open developer options, and enable apps from unknown sources. This lets downloader install packages. Once done, make sure your Firestick is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone or PC for file transfer options, and install the downloader app now. This is the tool you'll use to fetch Chrome. Don't skip permissions, they're required. You'll fetch the Chrome APK through Downloader. Type a reliable URL or use a local HTTP server on your PC to deliver the file. Select an ARM64 build that matches Fire OS for compatibility, because wrong builds fail to install. Once the APK downloads, press Install and watch the package installer. Make sure you allow any requested permissions. After installation, pick Open to test Chrome, or choose Done to clear the APK from storage to save space. You're almost finished. Launch Chrome and sign in so your bookmarks, passwords, and tabs sync across devices. This saves time. Make sure to tweak text size and display scaling in Chrome settings, and pair a Bluetooth keyboard or use the Fire TV remote app to navigate faster. If Chrome behaves poorly, clear app data, reboot the Firestick, and reinstall the APK. If issues persist, use a lightweight browser as a fallback. Troubleshooting ensures a stable experience.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.